With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is let p be the variable on the ellipse x square divided by 25 plus y square divided by 16 and is equals to 1 with foci at f1 and f2. So we have a, b, c, d option is given here. So we have to find which option is correct here. So we have p is the point on the ellipse. So equation of ellipse is given to us. So the solution of the question is, equation of ellipse. So here equation of ellipse is equals to x square divided by 25 plus y square divided by 16 is equals to 1, and we can write this in the form of a cos theta and b cos theta. So this will equals to x square divided by a square cos theta and plus b square sin square theta. So b square into this is plus y square. So here is y square and this is divided by b square cos theta. So this is equals to 1. So from here we can write this is equals to a square cos theta, that is 5 cos theta here, and so we can write here x square divided by 25 plus y square. So here is we can write it again. So we can write here x square divided by 25 plus y square divided by 16. So we have the is equals to 1. So we have the point P is 5 cos theta and 4 sin theta here. Point P is, so now we can draw the ellipse here. So let us suppose this is our ellipse here and this is our x and y axis here, x and y axis here. So we have this point is origin, that is 0 0, and now we can find the foci here. So f1 f2 is equals to under root a square minus b square. So we can write here foci 1 comma 2 is equals to under root a square minus b square plus minus a square minus b square comma 0, a square minus b square. So from here we get a square is 25 minus 16. So we get plus minus 25 minus 16 comma 0 here. So we get this will equals to plus minus 9, under root 9 is 3. So we get 3 comma 0 here. So we get foci 1 as 3 comma 0 and foci 2 is minus 3 comma 0. So our foci somewhere lie on this point. So this is minus 3 here and this is 0 here and this is plus 3 and 0 here, and we can draw the triangle here from this point to this and from this point to this. So and we can join this to this here. So these are foci here. So we can write the triangle here. Area of triangle is area is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height here. So we have base is minus 3 and 3. So we have in total 6 here. So this is 6 here, and our h is, suppose this is the point P where 5 cos theta comma 4 sin theta. So this distance is must be equals to 4 sin theta here. So from here we get this is equals to 4 sin theta. So we get 2 into 3. So this will equals to our area of triangle is equals to 12 sin theta. So this is our area of triangle. Now we find the area is triangle. Area of triangle is maximum when area of triangle is maximum when theta is pi by 2, as sin maximum is sin theta is maximum value is of this is equals to 1. So we get theta is equals to we get area of triangle is equals to sine theta pi by 2. So this will equals to 12. So from here, this is maximum. So we get area of triangle is maximum when theta is pi by 2. And we can write here for the, we get the coordinate of P and R. P is 5 sin theta, 5 cos theta, 4 sin theta. So if theta is pi by 2, so this will become sin cos 90 is 0. So this is 0 and this is 4 here. So this is the coordinate of P here, and the center of ellipse is 0, 0. So we can write here center of ellipse is 0, 0. So now we check which options are correct here. So our option A is correct here. Area of triangle P F1 into F2 is 12 sin theta, and area of triangle is maximum when theta is equals to pi by 2, and coordinate of PR 0, 4. So this is the answer for it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.